latest feature of Unity 2021.2. As Unity keep on moving on packages, what we can do is go to package manager, and under Unity registry we can now easily install any feature we want, and it will install all the latest package. For example, in 2D it will install all the latest package for 2D. Other feature of Unity is UI Toolkit. UI Toolkit is a collection of features, resources, and tools for developing graphical user interface. To use Unity Toolkit, we'll go to Windows and Unity Toolkit. Here we can access sample. It will show the sample code for various UI element, and you can also access Unity Builder. Unity Builder we can use to edit and create UI elements. Next feature is Cinematic Studio. Go to Windows Package Manager, and under Unity Registry we can see a new feature, Cinematic Studio. In Cinematic Studio it will help us to create movies and games cinematic efficiently. Under cinematics we can see is a package name sequences. Sequences packages features automate many Unity editor processes to allow us to focus on creative content without having to create and manage all necessary underlying Unity elements.